What's up, DD fam? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back, Anthony.
What's going on, guys?
Dude.
It's good to be back home.
You had 2 weeks of hardcore quarantine.
Yeah.
How'd that go?
It sucked.
I know it did, didn't it?
Yeah.
You guys remember Anthony was down in Beverly Hills, bougie Beverly Hills.
That's right.
Finally left the garage. You took about a month off, went surfing.
Yeah.
Got those surfing shoulders.
Yeah, brother. Surfing was awesome.
Came back to Canada. Oh, Canada. He is a Canadian from the 6, Toronto, and came out west to work with us.
Super excited.
There he is. There he is. Is he yelling at me? I'm gonna kick Dave. Hold on. I'm backing up, Dave. Sons of park buttons. Doors go up. That is some rap. Holy balls. Dave, we just found your next rap.
I like it, actually.
You son of a
It's very John Lennon.
That is very Dave. Hey Dave, are you in a good mood today? Yes. Yes, I am, Damien.
Under quarantine.
Give him a goddamn hug.
Great.
The Canadian hug.
720 GTR project. By the way, we have an update. We have from Vorsteiner a carbon chassis mounted wing in production. Boom. And the wheels within about 2 weeks should be here. So you guys, huge update. P1 update. The P1 has been officially, well, never really left. It's been returned on paper to Raymond here at SR Auto Group. He loves that car. He laughs because he's like, your cars, for the most part, the cars that we've bought off him have always come back to Raymond. Let's go say a farewell to the P1. And the best exciting news is you guys really didn't even care. You guys were like, we don't care if you have a hypercar on this channel. We came here to watch you guys cars up and do things that nobody else does. We don't care if you want to act bougie and have a hypercar. If you want to do that, do that. But if you don't, do what you guys do best, build and modify cars and drive them like madmen. We already traded this in and bought our next supercar. It is the biggest, baddest car you guys have always wanted us to have. That's all I'm gonna say. You know what it is.
I do.
Right?
It's awesome.
Right?
You're gonna be for a surprise.
Snitch.
Oh.
Don't you tell him. Don't you tell him.
So here it is, back in its natural habitat, the SR showroom. Finito, say goodbye. I've been standing here for 10 minutes. Put me right now, where's the gas cap? All right, and that's all she wrote. You know what I wanted to let you guys know? It's not that I will never own a hypercar. It's that when I finally do, you probably don't want me to, because it'd probably be my retirement from YouTube. At the end of the day, I could get one of these cars. It'd be a hell of a lot cheaper if I personally insured it, but that's just not the game we're playing right now, is it? The game we're playing is make money, hang out, and do crazy on the internet. For now, this is a new car right here. I'm just joking. Why don't we give them a few hints about what the new car is? But first, today's sponsor.
I was stuck at the airport getting here. Jamie, show the footage.
That's my float plane. I'm on an island and there's two options. There's a plane or a ferry. The ferry's 2 hours. That plane is 15 minutes. The issue is all the fog. That plane can't fly in the fog. Luckily for me, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Let's get into the game. That's right, you guys. The game you come to know and love. We're gonna play it right. Okay, we're locked up. Hold on. Sorry about that. We should be good to go. And oh wait, that's a very high level security structure. I have not the steady hand or the manpower to get past. You guys, we were good to go. We were good to go. And why is there nobody here? Anyways, back to Raid. Take a minute and appreciate the graphics. This is my cell phone. This is like crazy. She's scary looking. There we go. There's the Damon character. Damon, after he hasn't had a protein shake in a few days, he's starting to get a little lean. Okay, the best part of the game is the epic champion. There's like 500 to choose from. It's crazy. My favorite is Graybeard because I also have a gray beard. He has more antlers than I do. Some of his crazy skills, right there, exposes the weakness of others. He has the Ice Crush. He has the Bring It On. Oh my goodness, this is definitely my dude. Have you ever dreamed of fitting an amazing, truly AAA quality game right in your pocket? Something you can dive into at any time? Now you can with Raid Shadow Legends. With over 500 champions to collect, each with their own skill trees, and millions of artifacts to find and equip, no two champions will ever be the same. Click the link in the description right now, download Raid, and get exclusive rewards. And it's available for both mobile and PC. You want the best weekly rewards? Join a clan and fight the clan boss. The fastest way to level up your champions is through farming the campaign. You grind XP and get loads of silver and a few artifacts at the same time. Alright guys, Raid just released the Artifact Forge, where you can save time and craft artifacts directly, as well as a whole new advanced quest system with amazing rewards. And that's not all. They also brought out some new amazing champions and are developing the amazing looking Doom Tower as we speak, which I'm super excited about. So what are you waiting for? You can find me in the game, username Dave_DDE. DDE. Here's the best part. If you're a new player, you will get 200,000 silver and a free champion, the Grinner, which is a really awesome champion you can usually only get after playing the game for quite a while. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. The rewards will only be available for new players and only for the next 30 days. All right, this is legit, you guys. I've been playing Raid for the past hour waiting for the fog to clear. I just looked up and legit, the fog has cleared. We are good to go. Do me a favor right now, download Raid, links are in description. I'll be on the game when this video goes live for 1 hour. Come find me, Dave_DDE. Legit, I'll be there. Let's play some Raid. In the meantime, I think we're good to go.
Trains, planes, and automobiles. Dave was supposed to fly here. Then he was supposed to take a train here. Both were canceled due to fog and the fact that there's no train that goes through the water. So Dave actually took a ferry here.
Yeah, in the end, you guys had to take a ferry. Even when I said it cleared up, it still wouldn't fly. I said, I'll fly the plane. Anyways, they wouldn't let me. 720
GTR project is coming along. October is kind of like the last month before we kind of dive right into full Canadian winter weather. And so I'm gonna have to play this game of actually swapping wheels back and forth. So these wheels will probably forever, for the rest of the winter, have this crazy snow tire on it. The new wheels, when they show up, will get summers put on them, and I'll kind of have to swap back and forth because of the weather. Yep. So you'll get to see the new wheels, but the stock wheels will be kind of on and off due to winter conditions and driving the car. And we're daily driven exotics. We still need to make some really aggressive canards. Your car, what are you getting put on?
Crazy DD mods. You wanna know what that is? You already know. Snow tires.
Snow tires.
Actually, your old snow tires I stole from your garage.
They are. These are actually the original OEM wheels and snow tires from Snowball Rally.
Is that old? Uh-oh, I better check the dates on them.
They are that old. Havoc.
Yeah.
That's a good plate. I like that plate. That's an amazing plate. One of the sickest things ever. You guys want to see this? Check this out. One of my favorite cars of all time is Ferrari. Now, this is a sick Lusso. Ferrari's a brand we've been talking about getting back into.
Yes.
And in a big way. I don't know, do you think it's the right decision? You guys keep saying Ferrari is the brand that you want to see more of on the channel. Now I know we have the F12. I just had a meeting today with Aaron Kaufman. Good news. The hot side of the turbo is done. Damn! Everything's bigger and badder in Texas.
So the hot side is the what side, for those that don't know?
So that is the exhaust side. The manifolds, the two manifolds that took over 40 hours each to build. And he even said today, how many times do you have to build the one?
5 times.
No, 3. 5 times!
I don't pay attention.
He said
apparently the hot side
he had to build it 3 times.
The hot side's the most complicated part of the build, so the hardest part's done.
So we got turbos, we have the manifolds done, all that's done, the wastegates are all done. Now he's gonna build the cool side. That's like all the intake, cold air, blah, 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 intercoolers and all that stuff. He's gonna figure that all out.
Yes.
And we will have the Ferrari back. But in the meantime, check that out.
I love this. I absolutely love this.
What if we got this?
Black Series, I love it.
This is for sale.
So cool. It is for sale.
Dude, this is for sale. What if we had an insane Mercedes on the channel? An SLS Gullwing Black Series. Dave, go get the keys from Raymond. Let's open it up and look at it. Start it up.
All right, let's do it.
This is potentially, what, the next car for DD? What do you think? Oh!
Oh! You got it again! Oh yeah, we'll take it.
All right, that's cool. And then the doors go up.
That's pretty cool.
This thing is so sick. So this is for sale. $400,000.
Yeah, $400,000. This is the SLS Black
USD.
Series. Lighter, faster, has a better transmission, different brakes. It's not just like a lip package, Anthony. This is a full deal, completely re-engineered.
What do you think, Anthony?
You want to buy it, Anthony?
Do you think these are cool?
I love this.
And be honest. Don't give me your internet bullshit.
No, I've always loved
DD
the
is all
SLS.
about being true and real.
Dude, always have loved the SLS.
I'm happy right now? That's a real question.
Yeah.
Holy crap. This thing actually is really comfortable. Like, god damn. What a sick car. I love this style of gauge. It's not chrome, it's like brushed aluminum. It actually makes it look really classy. This would be a special car to own. You hear that?
Oh.
Sounds good.
That sounds so good. Every AMG car has 4 exhaust tips. Always. Every
really didn't know
AMG, even
that.
the G-Wagon.
Really?
Always. AMG, what, true AMG, there's 4 tips. When someone's lying on their C300, they know why.
That's a lot of tips.
And
Dave.
yeah, that's a lot of tips, even for Anthony. Dude, this thing sounds like an old hot rod.
I like it.
Okay.
An old hot rod?
AMG's like the hot rod of German cars.
Can't say old.
Like, it has that rumble like an old car.
This is modern.
It is modern, but it has the soul and heart of a hot rod.
This is modern and muscular, like the new Dave.
It's like a 1920. Yeah.
Oh.
Ouch. Ouch.
What do you guys think? SLS Black Series? Too good for Dave? Too good for the channel?
Actually, you know what? You'd suit this car too. I can see Anthony.
I would
curly hair
I would
in there.
suit this car.
Well, it's a bit distinguished.
I want another car.
You're more of a camo Huracan guy.
More of a what?
You want another car.
Camo Huracan?
That's your thing. Or Anthony.
What a guy. This car has ceramic brakes,
Yes.
which is very cool. Matt, shout out to you with your steel brakes.
Who's it?
And a lot of carbon. So that was the thing with this car. They lighten it up, they give it a little more power. But the coolest thing with this car is really the styling.
Yes.
Everything you see about this car, all the carbon, the cool new side intakes, I don't even know what you call that on the hood. But the point is, all this is like factory AMG styling, the carbon wing on the back, the black wheels, the Raymond avoiding the camera in the background. Get him, get him.
There he is, there he is.
Amazing car. This is still for sale, right?
Yeah, cowbell.
What?
What is it? Cowbell?
Ding, ding, ding.
Cowbell? What's gone into Raymond? Should we buy it? Vote in the comments. This thing's for sale. This, I can afford to insure. An amazing car. We're gonna have to wait for now. Whether or not we get this is up to you. Comment below. We've already bought another car. It will be at August Luxury Motor Cars tomorrow, delivered, full reveal in the next video, guys. Smash the subscribe button, join the DD fam if you wanna know what crazy car we got next. And like, we're going full on. This car's getting hacked up, just like my Huracan Tire Slayer. We're going full build, the whole 9 yards. You guys ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's take the snow tire cars where there's no snow because we legally have to have them and go play in Vancouver. We gotta go meet up with Gabe. Gabe's got a full FI exhaust, race headers and the whole 9 yards going into Gabe's GT3. We're gonna hook a bro up. We like to pass on some of the good fortune we have. Get a couple of deals on car parts. We're gonna go hook Gabe up. We're gonna go out for dinner with Gabe. Let's go meet up with Gabe. Why do I keep saying Gabe? Gabe, 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 Gabe. You ready? Let's do this. Hey, Anthony, we're going to Sun Place. Go, pilot.
God damn, that's loud!
Listen to this thing. Makes the weirdest noises, McLaren's. I love it. That's excessive. So excessive. Whoa, it's so fast, even with snow tires on. And we are back. Doors up. Sutton Place here in Vancouver, downtown. And where is my friend Gabrielle? Gabrielle.
Where's Gabrielle?
How you doing, my friend?
Good to see you.
Ready to go for dins?
Yes, let's do it.
Steakhouse, 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 steakhouse.
Typical Lamborghini parking right here.
Hey, question for you.
See.
SLS Black Series.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good
not
car,
convinced,
good car,
Gabe. I'm
good
not
car for the
convinced.
channel,
Yeah, I love all Black Series. Black Series is a win.
right?
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
And then if we got a Porsche for DD, what Porsche?
It's gonna be a GT2 or a GT3 with a YZAC and then some turbos possibly.
He makes
I
it.
don't know.
You just throw money around. Hey, just
Well, I mean,
what?
example one.
Example one.
It's all family money, Gabe.
Wealth. Okay, guys, smash the subscribe button. The next video, we'll have a full reveal delivery day of the next Tire Slayer, another Tire Slayer. Ooh!
Super excited.
That is the next video, so stick around for that. Dave, where do they get YSOB merch? When? When's it coming?
Oh, you guys have been asking for the merch, and Damon and I, we're gonna give in a little bit. Small drop, about 2 weeks. So get your credit cards ready.
Get your
Small
credit
drop.
card.
Get them ready.
Wow, listen to
Or
this.
memorize that 16-digit code.
All right, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for coming along today. Your votes do matter on what cars we replace the P1 with. Even though next video is one car and you're gonna love this. It's gonna be one of the best. Make sure you guys vote what other cars we should get. See you in the next video. Peace. You shut up, I'm trying to film.
Get down! Back off the throttle!
Off the throttle.
Off the throttle! Thank you.
Just joking. He's sucking. He's sucking. Here, go. Get it? No.
Quiet! Off the throttle!